Welcome to the 7th annual Fourth Revolution Awards.
So many partners, so many absolutely incredible innovators in our beautiful new house. We're about halfway through tonight, but guess what? There's a whole nother day tomorrow.
If you've been to this before, you know we have a lot going on. There's a showcase with startups, there's pitches going on concurrently, and some incredible keynotes and panels.
I think American manufacturing has answered every challenge in our nation's history, and I think we're going to continue to do it today.
We spend a lot of time focused on why is this not working? What do we have to do to make it work? How do we fix this product? How do we get more scale, more adoption? If you look at everything I've done, I'm always trying to solve some problem.
You have to really believe that this matters, right? You have to believe that there is a real sense of urgency for us to do things differently. Believing in the sense of urgency that we have to tackle climate is very real. You don't have to wait to do this, right? We can actually tackle this today.
We are like one of the 2 top regions in the nation for quantum information science and engineering. And so we have the potential to turn what was an academic field into a real economic driver.
When the history books are looking back at this era, they're going to say this is when people stepped up.
Every day, the mHUB team is focused on creating value and providing resources for hard tech entrepreneurs and manufacturers. We made our historic $50 million investment this year and planted our flag to make this place the center of the U.S. for advancing hard tech innovation.